Alright, testing. Okay. Okay, Adam Nugent Rosenberger, October 25th, October 21st, 2025. Miracle Tank Cleaning Methods Information Repository for Advanced Cleaning Tanker Cleaning Guide Cargo Handbook. It has an intro to water treatment PDF, dry ice and other inhibitors, running air, dry ice, local towns grow, water pipes, miracle tank cleaning guide, dryers, cleaning method solutions with a rinse, what meets bounds and quantity ships of rail and tanker car vehicle drinking problems, recover sludge and product by city, leapfrogging solutions tree with a damaged pipe with washing customer, backflow meter housing, provide assistance drinking water in town, lighting strategy, safety and health, human integration system, amen. Thank you, Adam Nugent Rosenberg in the city of Dublin, United States. We have several different, this is a sway that I made, into area drainage, heating, cooling, aggregated liquid batches, YouTube, hydraulic design of sewers, implementation design for public sector, intro to water treatment, intro and advanced water treatment, other intro to water treatment, seepage and drainage, sludge handling treatment, disposable treatment, steam boiler, water system pipe ops, maintenance, chemical cleaning, industrial water flow, measure pipes and conduct, Department of Energy valves. We have a 350 gallon pumping assembly. We have a tanker car, safety data sheets by Air Gas Liquid Company. We'll increase this. We go into identification, carbon dioxide, solid dry ice, chemical name, GHS, other identification product name, synthetic analytical chemistry, suppliers has information, OSHA, HS not classified, global harmonized, signal word danger, may displace oxygen, cause rapid suffocation, increase respiration, heart risk, chirogenic burns, injury, may cause frostbite, increase respiration, heart. Precaution statement, labeling in advance, refrigerated solid gas cannot be product may cause cold burns, all frostbite, composition, section 3. So, Miracle 10 Cleaning Guide is a guide to the no addition ingredients presented with the current knowledge of the supplier, information, applicated hazard, health, environment, hence, and first aid measures. Um, Ingestion, wash out mouth, water must have solid, exposed person, conscious quantities of water, do not invoke vomiting, directed runs of medical, assuming the firefighting. Um, so there are some health warnings on this, but dry ice is being used to clean metals and the medical attention, firefighting measures, precautions, methods, material containing cleanup, small, large, environmental, large spill, precautions, safe handling, protection, occupational hygiene. So you go through the miracle tank cleaning, exposure control personnel. We have OSHA, carbon dioxide ingredient names, emissions, respiratory protection, water contaminated clothing before reusing, physical chemical properties, stability, reactivity, toxology information, and then we get into transportation information. We have UN 845 is the UN number, proper name, carbon dioxide, transport hazard, packing material, environmental hazards, no. Regulatory information. All right, so here's the deal. Shows different. That's the Miracle Tank Cleaning Guide. This is a tank cleaning guide. This is for ideas for cleaning rusted pipes. We have drainage, in heat, cooled, alligated liquid batches. These are so if you wanted to go implement advanced water treatment, let's say click there. Will allow. And then this brings up. Okay, that's not that. Anyways, those are YouTube videos, and we'll take a look at. All right, we have SolidWorks. We have a basically we on top we'll have a mega lug, and then we'll look at the drain. So here is this is a adapter. In the middle, there's a cone front of filter element, and that's porous, like over here in the circular mesh plastic. And then we'll rise from the top. So it starts at the bottom, goes to the bottom, goes to the top, goes to the top, goes to the top, goes to the top, comes around the top, meets the lock. Nice little lock right there. The bolts are unthreaded. And then from here, we take let's go to the bottom outlet adapters. We add an adapter to the lid, and these are for tension cars. So we have the AR cam part number K bottom unloading adapters, 3, 4, and 6 inch, reducing flange available to design, product seeker, and fit, minimize leak, seal, dot thread, approval design, assembly, includer cap, plug and chain, and gasket available, stainless steel duct iron. So what we do is we'd have a hole in the top of the mega lug plate on the filter, and then we'd add the threaded bottom unloading adapter. We have the top loading adapter, and then we have an this one is a bottom outlet specification tank bottom outlet cars. So here's another bottom outlet, and then we have a top loading adapter. So looking at the bottom outlet adapters, and it would go right here in this circle. So the bottom outlet adapter would plug right into the the grid iron, and then we'd have hazard solve transloading unit. So we have let's start it. These are Salco products. We have a hazard solve transloading unit. As we can see, it's a wheel operated. Develop, transfer corrosive chemical and abrasive materials. Overview, hazard solved. So it's a trailer. It has a transfer system with shutoff valves. Actuator protects against acid spill, product pump line suction, inlet basket strainer. So we looked at the pipe with a basket strainer project with a pump debris and solids in product. So we'd be using dry ice as the main chemical. And then here would be the structure for shelter. Shows the trailer with hoses off the side. Then it goes into a blower compressor. Here's the blower compressor. And then the compressor safety shower system in case you get it on yourself. A wash down system. Vertical storage tank. Vapor scrubber system. And then over here is the trailer. And this is Salco Products, committed to innovation. Corporate office, 1385 to 101st Street, Suite A, Lamont, Illinois, 60439. Sales, 630-78257. Distribution, gate repair. So if we mix the adapter with the strainer, the shutoff valve strainer, monitor shutoff valve, it's got loading hoses and everything. So this is the idea. We take a strainer basket, we split the pipe in half, we put the bottom, we unload the adapter, we hook up the adapters, we use the hazard loading system, transloading system. We have the top loading adapters, the bottom loading adapters, and then Miracle tank cleaning, dry ice. There may be a better inhibitor, but this one works at let's see, SolidWorks. So there is a strainer in the pipe. As you can see, there's a strainer in the pipe. I don't really draw water valves, but this is my best explanation. Thank you. So we got one more time, bottom outlet valve, on bottom unloading valve hooked onto the strainer basket, and Salco products. If we missed to weld it to the cover with a filter, we can. There is a possibility to clean dirty pipes. Thank you.